Right, hi there, welcome to another Brickright video. This is the second part of us doing a patio, so let's just show you what's happening here. Scott actually did that for us last Friday. The man himself is back again today.
Hi YouTubers, hi everybody.
So yeah, my wrist is actually getting a little bit better. His ankle is on the mend, so Scott is going to do a last day for us today. Really appreciate you helping us, Scott, and done a really nice job of it, mate, as well. Thank you very much.
Pleasure to be helpful. Lost a couple of grams.
I thought I'd show you an update. So this is where we are with it. Look, Scott Tidy Bricks, he came in and he laid the patio for us down to here, and he also built the steps, and he also did the majority of that patio down there for us as well. My hand, I can move it a lot more now, so I think it's getting better. Well, I hope it is. Fraser's ankle is on the mend, so yesterday Scott let us take back over again. Fraser did this, I laboured for it, or Ryan laboured for him, and I painted up and did all the cuts and everything. Frey did this, and he slabbed the step. Now, customers asked us for an extra, so we put a feather edge fence up there for him because that one was knackered. So what we're doing now is Fraser's jet washing that patio, and you can see us doing some flow point. It's Indian sandstone, so we're going to flow point this, and it's the I think it's the grey smooth flow point. We got stone and everything ordered for this, so it's been a bit of a struggle, so we haven't been able to do much filming, so I do apologise, but bear with us. Hopefully we're on the mend and get some more filming in. So, another complaint. Yes, we've had another complaint. Council turned up this morning. Ryan was here on his own, and they said that we were putting soil on the pavement and green bags on the pavement, and somebody had complained within the local area. So let me show you the site. There's your green bags, not on the pavement, never have been on the pavement. We've had all this, as you saw in previous videos, all stacked out with pallet trucks straight in. That's been high ab straight over. Nothing has been out on the pavement the other side of there. Skip is on the customer's property, and what I've been doing is we've been having load after load after load of soil, and I've been having them in like transit tipper load, paying extra for them so we can get them on the road, on the drive. You can see it's just a little tiny bit of encroachment on the public highway, which is what they've probably moaned about. So it's absolutely ridiculous, isn't it? So to those people, the Victor Meldrews out there who complain and you're in Cardiff, I hope you stub your big toe on the closest coffee table. Eventually we managed to finish it. Sorry about the lack of footage. We had COVID as well on top of the ankle and the wrist and the cold and the flu and everything else that we had. So yeah, this is the top patio we just showed you. This is the path we did. Gazebo's done down there. Look, customer's gonna paint it and get lights and everything on it. And likewise, he's gonna do. We offered to do the turf, to re-turf all this, but he wanted to do it himself, so he's gonna do that. There we are. There's a close up there of the gazebo. Path leading up to the top patio. Herb gardens going in here, and I think he's going to plant some normal plants in there as well, and some veg. So that's that. So it's quite a nice little area, that is, especially because it's just right outside his kitchen door. And then we've got this section here. We had to put decking in there because there was a manhole and all clay pipes and everything, so we put some decking and some steps in it. And I'd like to thank Nigel for doing the carpentry. Nigel, I know you watch the videos, so thank you very much. And Nigel did the gazebo as well. That's done. There we are. There's a bit of leaf staining on here, so you've got to be very careful if you lay Indian sandstone with leaf staining. But there we go. There it is. So I have to be honest, the leaf stains on there really annoyed me. So we come back and we used hypochlorite on it, sodium hypochlorite, the 15% on this. Brick acid never touched it. Scott Tidy Bricks came round, did us a favour, used the product from Aspects, didn't touch it. And we were a bit concerned because it was just patchy, leaf stains everywhere. The sodium hypochlorite got rid of it. So if you want to get rid of any leaf stains on your patio, then use that. And that's come up really nice now. I'm happy, customers happy. You happy, Fraser? Yep. Yeah. Are you happy, Ryan? Yeah. Why are you standing so close to me? There we are then, another one bites the dust, all finished. And another special thank you to Mr. Scott Baker from Tidy Bricks, because frankly without him the job would have been on stop because of my hand and my wrist and Fraser's ankle, and Ryan was ill and the COVID and so on and so on and so on. So Scott, if you're watching, thank you ever so much for helping us out. We're on to the next one. The wrist is a lot better, Fraser's ankle's better, COVID's gone, so we're all singing and dancing. See you over on the next one, which is another landscaping job. Tune in for that one. See you there. Cheers. Ta-ra.